Today's video is going to be about top 5 ways to make money online. First, we got freelancing. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, you can offer your services as a freelancer on many platforms. There are many websites where you can find freelance work, such as Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and Guru. Create a profile and start bidding on projects that match your skills and experience. 2. Investing. Investing is the act of putting money into something with the expectation of earning a profit. It's a way to grow your wealth over time by taking calculated risks with your money. There are many different types of investments to choose from, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and real estate. Investing requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. While there is always risk involved, investing can offer the potential for higher returns than other forms of saving. It's important to do your research and seek out professional advice before making any investment decisions. 3. E-commerce. E-commerce, or electronic commerce, refers to buying and selling goods or services online. It allows businesses to reach a wider audience and customers to shop from the comfort of their homes. E-commerce platforms such as Amazon, eBay, and Shopify have made it easier for businesses to set up an online store, manage inventory, and accept payments securely. E-commerce has transformed the way people shop and has become a vital part of the global economy, with online sales continuing to grow each year. 4. Online surveys. Online surveys are a popular way for businesses and organizations to collect data and feedback from a targeted audience. They typically consist of a series of questions that participants can answer online or via email. Online survey platforms such as SurveyMonkey, Qualtrics, and Google Forms make it easy for anyone to create and distribute surveys. Online surveys provide valuable insights into customer behavior, opinions, and preferences, allowing businesses to make data-driven decisions to improve their products or services. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. As an affiliate marketer, you don't have to create or manage the product, handle shipping or customer service, which makes it a relatively low-risk way to earn money online. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to choose products or services that align with your audience and to promote them authentically through your blog, website, social media, or email list. Thanks for watching.